Hi, welcome to Lesson 18, Finding a Rate by Dividing Two Quantities. So, on page 76, please copy the following. Today I will make use of the structure of division and ratios to divide two quantities to find a rate, such as 5 miles over 2 hours as the quantity 2.5 miles per hour. You're also going to convert measurement units using rates. This is a very quick and easy lesson, guys. We're going to go over a practice, and then you will actually be going around, moving around the room, trying to solve the rest of your problems. Our classwork for today. Okay, classwork number 1, which is on page S76. At Funburger, the Burger Master, that would be a cool job, can make hamburgers at a rate of 4 burgers per minute. Okay, so we have here 4 burgers per minute. In order to address the heavy volume of customers, he needs to continue at this rate for 30 minutes. If he continues to make hamburgers at this pace, how many hamburgers will the Burger Master make in 30 minutes? A couple of things to note, right? So we want to continue this rate for 30 minutes. We want to see how many burgers our Burger Master can make. So we are actually going to be crossing off. Okay, so this is like you're multiplying with fractions. Okay, remember how a whole number is like saying 30 over 1. So the minutes is actually also the same thing. It'll be your numerator. Since we have a numerator of minutes here in the numerator and a minutes here in the denominator, we can cross that off. And we are left with 4 burgers times 30. That means that we are looking for 120 burgers. Okay? So the Burger Master makes 120 burgers in 30 minutes. That's a lot of burgers in 30 minutes. All right, so he's like a machine. Okay, so you can now pause this video to copy. So what you've done, ladies and gentlemen, is just solved for 1 unit here, right? So we're looking for the number of burgers. Crossed off the minutes, because those are the 2 things they had in common. Now we're left with burgers, and that tells us that he makes 120 burgers. Moving on. Number 2, page S76. Chandra is an editor at the New York Gazette. Her job is to read each article before it is printed in the newspaper. There's another cool job. If Chandra can read 10 words per second, it's a lot of words, guys. How many words can she read in 60 seconds? Okay, so we know that 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute, but we're working with seconds. So we want to know how many words Chandra can read in 60 seconds. So we're going to multiply this 10 words per second to 60 seconds. Once again, we can cross off the seconds. Okay, we have the numerator second and the denominator second here. And we are left with 10 times 60, which means 600. And we're left with words, so that's 600 words. That's a lot of words in 1 minute. She gets a lot of practice, and that's awesome. So, Chandra can read 600 words in 60 seconds. Pause this video to copy. So today's lesson basically shows us how we can convert measurement units using rates. Okay, so you're given a rate, and you're trying to find out how many of each unit you can solve for. The information can be used to further interpret the problem. Here's an example. So our example here is 5 gallons per minute. You want to know how many gallons in 10 minutes? So 5 over 1 gallon, 10 minutes and minutes get crossed off. So 5 times 10 is 50. You're left with 50 gallons. So there are 6 problems on tables in the classroom. You will walk to each problem and use the table found on page S77 to show your work. You can do this, guys, with a partner or by yourself. Just make sure that if you are working with a partner that you are doing your own work. When you're done and feel ready, get an exit ticket. Okay, so your activity is lesson 18, exercises 1 to 6. You're answering all that on the table on S77. Write your name on the board, guys, if you need help. Please don't keep waving me down. Don't keep yelling out my name. Write your name and I'll get to you. Keep your noise level down to a minimum so that people can concentrate on what they're doing. Any questions, guys? Let me know. All right, till lesson 19.